Hey guys, it's your favorite maths teacher here today, and you're tuning into Paul's Maths Labs. And today we're going to be looking at long multiplication, specifically 2 by 1 and 2 by 2. Okay, so let us get on with it. Let's see how we do. So let me just scroll down a little bit. Scroll down here. Okay, so let's work on the first one. 35 times 2. Okay, so we've got 35. And we're going to multiply it by 2. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is going to do 2 times 5. What's 2 times 5 going to give us? It's 10. So we put the units here and we carry over the tens. Okay. Now we do 2 times 3 gives us what? It gives us 6. Then 6 plus the 1 here gives us 7. Okay. Lovely. Now we're going to move on to this one now. So 12 times 7. So let's set everything up properly. So 12. And then we've got 7. So we're going to do 7 times 2 gives us what? 14. So we put the units down here and we carry over our tens here. Okay, now 7 times 2 gives us, 7 times 1 gives us 7, and 7 plus the 1 gives us 8. Okay. Now, next one that we're going to do is a 2 by 2 one. Lovely. Okay, so we've got 24 times 15, and we need to leave extra space here for when we actually have the carryovers and stuff. So yeah, let's leave that extra space there. Okay, so, and we might even put a line there as well, actually that might help us. So we're going to do 5 times 4. What does 5 times 4 give us? 5 times 4 gives us 20. So we put our units here and we carry over our tens, which is 2 here. Okay, now we do 5 times 2 gives us 10. Then 10 plus the 2 here gives us 12. Okay, now we're going to times by this one. So this one here, if you can imagine this one is in the tens place, or is in the under the 10 section. Okay, so you can imagine it as a 10. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to do 1 times 4 gives us 4. Okay, but what we're going to do, we're just going to put 0 here first. Okay, and we're going to put the 4 that we've calculated, we're going to put it under here, under the 10 section, because as we said before, if you look at where this one is situated, it's situated on the tens column. Okay, because if you know, we've got the units, then we got the tens, and if we had hundreds, etc. Okay, so the 1 times the 4 is also basically 10 times 4, which gives us 40. So basically that's why we put our 4 here under the tens and put the 0 there. Okay, and we're going to scribble out that 2 because we don't need it anymore. Now we're going to do 1 times the 2 here, which is going to give us 2, and we put the 2 here. Okay, and basically what we now do, guys, we just add downwards. Okay, so 0 plus 0 gives us 0, 2 plus 4 gives us 6, and 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Okay, so our answer is actually 360. Okay, now we're going to look at the last one down here. 87 times 25. Okay, so we're going to have 87 and 25. Line there, line there, and a line there. Okay, and we're times in. So follow me very, very carefully, guys, because you can get lost in this. So 5 times 7 gives me what? 35. So I'm going to put my units here and carry our tens, our 3 here. Okay, 5 times 8 gives me what? 40. 40 plus the 3 gives me 43. Okay, and since we've already used that 3, we can scribble it out. Okay, now we're going to move on to this, the 2 here. Okay, imagine that 2 is a 20. So we basically do 20 times 7 gives us what? It gives us 140. Okay, so we're going to put 0 there, we're going to put a 4 there, we can't, that's meant to be a 4, and we can't put the 1 there because we've still got to do another multiplication. So what we're going to do, we're going to carry the 1 here, okay? Now we're going to do the 2 times the 8 is going to give us 16. 16 plus the 1 is going to give us 17, okay? So we put the 7 there and we put the 1 there, okay? Now basically what we now do, guys, is we just add as we go down, okay? So we got the 5 plus the 0 gives us 5. We can scribble that out since we've used it. 3 plus the 4 gives us 7. And 4 plus the 7 gives us 11. So put 1 there. And we carry over a 1. Let me scroll down. Yeah, we carry over a 1. And then we've got 1 plus 1 down here gives us 2. Okay, so we've got 2,175. Okay, guys. So that one was quite a little bit of a tough one, shall I say? But yeah, we've done all right. We've done all right. Yeah, I think that was okay. Okay, guys. So that is basically long multiplication. Okay, using the 2x1s. The 2x1s were very easy, but when we came to the 2x2 ones, they were a little bit tougher. But we just had to kind of keep focused. Okay. I will probably do another video on multiplying just the 2x2 together. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in to Paul's Maths Apps, and I'll see you guys later.